It's a beautiful afternoon, late March in northern Wayne County. About 50 degrees, still a little snow left as you can see, but the weather is really beautiful now. Doing actually some residential window cleaning here. Doing some high windows, low windows, all types. You can see the water fed pole we're using with a special tool, a nice brush with a what's called a contact scrubber to get that really tough dirt and grime that sometimes, and even stain that helps get stain off of windows. Anyway, we are booking up fast. April has quite a few openings still, but May and June are going fast. So I would advise you, if you want the best window cleaning service in northeastern Pennsylvania, to service your windows, give us a call or text 570-630-0326. You'll like what you see. Have a wonderful afternoon.